Hi guys, welcome back. This one's an easy one. Quick stir fry, pork, sauce, done. Yes, let's get to it. We opt to buy large pieces of meat. We find that they're usually on sale and cheaper because they haven't been cut already. Anything requiring less handling by a person means more savings for you. However, it would obviously be more convenient and simpler to buy pre-sliced at the store. You can do any cut, thinly sliced, thick chunks. It's just a matter of preference to how you like to eat it. Koreans have the tendency to eat a bit fattier, juicier cuts, but this sauce just makes anything yummy, yummy good. Let's make it an official term. You heard it here first. And as you should really know by now, Korean food is very flexible to adaptations, and this one is certainly not an exception. DURUCHIGI is usually done with pork, but don't let anyone tell you different. There are beef and chicken varieties in Korea as well. The pork one is just the most common. Some people even make it with mixed seafood or fish cakes, and for my vegetarian friends, yes, this also tastes very awesome with tofu. This is a saucy sauce, guys, and it's just so simple it's embarrassing. You can, of course, customize it to your taste and layer more flavors into it. We show you the very basic, you get the gist of it, and then you can take it from there. Take this knowledge and make it fly to extraordinary land. We're usually always hangry, and the kids usually don't make it easy. So it's just fast, but tasty in this house. Gochujang. You know you can do without this ingredient if you don't eat it often. Technically, you only need gochugaru, which is Korean red pepper powder, beju powder, sweet rice powder, rice syrup, and sweetener. And you can make your own small batch to eat as needed. But for us, even though we don't use it every day, it's just sad to say, but too convenient. They come in different sized tubs, but I would like to point out it's always better to make it yourself rather than buy prepackaged products. My guilty conscience always makes me say that. One day I dream of patiently making our own ingredients at home. It's really such an art. Apparently it tastes so much better too, not to mention the health benefits. Not just yet for us though, because like canning, pickling, kimchi making, totally doable. Just so daunting to think about. And children, just so tired all the time. Ingredient 2 out of 2. Yes, we made this sauce a 2-ingredient wonder. It's honey. So to wrap that up, this delicious, mind-blowing sauce can be yours anytime you feel like it. Honey-fried gochujang sauce. Ta-da! Also, I would like to add a note here. Historically, Koreans have used grated or pureed fruit in the place of sugar. Grated Asian pears were commonly used, but puree some apples, pineapple, or kiwi in the blender, and you've got natural sugar that also has enzymes that make meat more tender. Also feel free to add garlic, sliced chili peppers, green onions, chopped ginger if you want to put in a bit more work into the sauce. And if that's still not good enough for you, add in soy sauce and Chinese oyster sauce in equal amounts to the red pepper paste too. That'll be some nice depth of flavors there. You may be thinking, wow, that's a lot of honey in there. And let me tell you, this is supposed to be kind of a sweet heat. But of course, kick it up a notch in the heat department by adding gochugaru if you like. We like it with onions and bell peppers, but really you can add any veg kicking around in your fridge. Carrots, cabbage, I don't know, whatever vegetable you should be eating but aren't and is looking a little sad in your crisper drawer. Just cut them so they cook quickly. This dish should come together real fast. This can be marinated for a few hours or overnight if you're a better planner than us. As you'll see very soon, we don't marinate this at all. Cook on high a heat as you can without burning. We're using a cast iron because that's probably what was sitting on the stove, but you can use a wok if you have it, or a pan, really whatever. We like it a very sticky sauce for DURUCHIGI, but you can reduce it less and have it more liquidy. This sauce is delicious mixed into a bit of rice, so have it with rice. If you have gochujang, some kind of sugar, some kind of pork or meat, some veg, go ahead, try it. It's good. Slightly spicy, kind of sweet. Dinner is served. I do rinse off the sauce for the little kids, but this really should be tolerable even for the most spice adverse. I'm telling you, this thing is deceptively red. It's quite sweet, with a hint of spice. DURUCHIGI.